Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix crashing issue on Manor Lords. If you're having many more issues such as stuck on loading screen, freezing, stuttering, lagging, low FPS drop, you can try these videos and steps in this video. So the first one is all about we have to start with a simple restart. For this we just need to go over in the start icon over here, click on this particular power icon, go for a restart. So once restart is done, just try launching the game. So restart can fix a lot of issue. So restart is, like I said, you should not be neglecting this step. You can start with a simple restart. After done with this, if you're having the issue, the next one is all about we have to rename delete OpenXR. That is what we have to do. So to do this, just go over here in the game file, right click and click on manage, and we have to navigate to browse local files. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to navigate to the engine. Now from here, navigate to the binaries, go for Win64. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to select the OpenXR. Not from here, I'll not be able to see the OpenXR. Okay, just go over here. Let me go back, not Win64, select third party and select OpenXR and go for Win64. And this is OpenXR. Right? So now what we need to do is, as you can see, we just need to rename this one from OpenXR. Just rename this, just go over to show more options. Now select this one, right click and go to show more options. Just go over here and go for a rename. So you can rename the OpenXR to OpenXR old, or you can say OpenXR 1, or you can type anything is fine. Just change this to OpenXR old or whatever it is. And once you change it, this one, to a new name. So once you change the OpenXR to, for example, old, let me do like this, OpenXR old is saved. Once you save this, you just need to try launch the game. And still, if you're having the trouble, you can also delete this one. You can also delete it. And keep in mind, when you're deleting this, you have to take a complete backup of the original file. You can take the backup of the original file and you can copy paste somewhere else here in the desktop. Afterwards, you delete the OpenXR. You change this one to OpenXR old. You can delete it. Make sure that you have taken a complete backup. Once afterwards, try launch the game. Most probably that will be working. If after changing the OpenXR old, still if it's not working, we can delete this one. And afterwards, you have taken a backup of the files, right? That file can be copied and pasted over here and you can try launch the game. Both are fine. So next step is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to launch the game from the installation folder. So most of us launch the game from Steam. So that is why we are having the issue. So we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So to launch the game from the installation folder, what we need to do is we just need to, in order to do this, just click over here, go to the properties, navigate to installed file and just click on the browse. So that will take you to this PC. Over here, if you check at the top, there is this PC, local disk C, program file x86, Steam apps, common, Manor Lords. So this is the folder. So just now launch the game from here. So launching the game from the installation folder is what it worked for many users. So you can try this out. If that is not working, we have to move to the next one, that we have to run the game as an administrator. And also we have to run the game in the compatibility mode. For running the game as administrator, just go over here and right click and go to show more options, go to the properties, go for compatibility. And now click on run this program as administrator and we have to go for apply. And also we have to click on this one, run this program in the compatibility mode. Make sure this is not on Windows 7. If it is on Windows 7, you have to go for Windows 7. Or if it is on Windows 8, you have to go for Windows 8. Try either Windows 7 or Windows 8. Go for apply and go for OK. Once you're done with this one, just close everything and we have to go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to make sure the date, time, region is correct. So just go over here in the search, navigate to settings. Now go over here in the settings. Now from here, go to time and language. Go for date and time. Make sure the time zone automatically and time automatically should be turned on. And also you have to turn this on as well. Now we just need to go back, go to the language and region. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to make sure the country is according to geography. So you have to select this one and select United States, or you have to select this one to United Kingdom or whatever it is. You can do the configuration according to yours. So once you set this up, we just need to close this and we have to go back and we have to try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to launch the game and we have to press Alt and Tab from the keyboard. I don't know how this is related, but even this worked for many users. You can try this out. Just launch the game, press Alt and Tab from the keyboard, so you can try this out. Next one is all about nothing but we have to delete the saved game file. So just go over here in the file explorer. We have to navigate to the documents, and over here you can see the folder. So if you find the folder for the Manor Lords, when you started playing the game, saving each progression, so you'll be able to see this, and delete the respective folder. And once after it is successfully deleted, you can just go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here in the search, go for the control panel, go for system and security, go for Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and we have to navigate to Manor Lords. So keep scrolling down, and if you find the Manor Lords over here, if you find the Manor Lords, make sure both the private and public both has to be marked. So imagine if it's not marked, then what we need to do is we need to add the game by default. So just click on the change setting, go for allow another app, go for browse, navigate to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program file x86, go for Steam, navigate to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here we have to navigate to Manor Lords. Just keep scrolling down and navigate to Manor Lords over here. Select this one and we can go for open and add it. I'm getting the error because the game is already added. That is why I'm getting the error. Once it's successfully done, just close everything and we have to go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to unplug all the USB devices. So we might be connected with a lot of peripherals. We might be connected with, USB ports might be, joysticks might be connected, additional controllers might be connected. All these might be connected, so which is causing the issue. So just unplug everything. Once everything is unplugged, we have to try launch the game, and that will be working fine as well. Next one is all about nothing but we have to perform a clean boot. So just go over here in the search, go for system configuration, search for system configuration, click on this one. Now from here go to the services, go for hide all Microsoft services and go for enable all, go for hide all Microsoft, go for disable all, go for apply and go for OK. Once afterwards we just need to go over and exit without restart. But here the users who are watching this, you have to go for restart because we're in the middle of shooting. So once afterwards just go for exit without restart, and afterwards try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click and go to the properties, go over here in the installed file, not here general. Make sure if this is turned off, we have to turn this on. So if it is turned on, we have to turn this off, try launch the game. Next one, we have to give the commands in the launch option. The first command is dx11, that is what we have to do. The dx11 is what we have to do as the first command. Next one is all about we have to start with dx12. So either the dx11 will be working or we have to start with dx12 will be working in most cases, or you can try d3, d2. That can also be done. D3, D2 is also worked for many users. We can try these steps as well. Once afterwards done, just close this and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to close all the overlay application. So just go over here, right click over here in the start manager, click on the task manager over here. Now as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background, and all these things are actually utilizing the performance of a computer, and that is why we are having the crashing issue. So we'll be having the crashing issue one by one. So afterwards what we need to do is you can see if many things are running in the background at the same time, if you're launching the game like this, you'll be definitely having the crashing issue. So just remove the unwanted things. For example, Riva Tuner, MSI Afterburner, all these kind of things can be removed. Once everything is removed, just close this and we have to go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, go to graphics settings. Now from here, as you can see, this is the game. So we can add the game over here. So now what we need to do is we just need to click over here in the browse. Now we just need to go over here in this PC. Now we can add the game. Just click on the game. Just go to the program file x86. Go for Steam. Navigate to Steam apps. Go to common. Now from here what we need to do is just keep scrolling down and navigate to Manor Lords and just select this one and go for add. So once the game is already added, if it's already added, I think it's already added. So just click on the option over here. Make sure this is by default, this will be let Windows decide. Change this to high performance and go for save. Once you change this to high performance, close everything and we have to go back and try launching the game. The next one is all about nothing but we have to increase the virtual memory. So just go over here in the game, search for view advanced system settings. Just click on this one and go to the advanced settings once again, advanced once again, and go for change. Make sure this is blank and you have to select the local disk C. Go for the custom size and we have to go for initial size, that is 1.5 times the total RAM, and we have to go for the maximum size, that is 3 times the total RAM. So just go over here, go to the calculator. So type your RAM. So just type your RAM, that is 32 GB is my RAM. I have to multiply it with 1024 and that is 32768. Multiply it with 32768. You have to multiply initial size, that is how much it is? It is 1.5. So multiply it with 1.5. That brings you 49152. So this is the particular value where we have to copy and paste. Next one is the maximum size, that is 32 GB multiplied with 1024 and we have to multiply it with 3, that is 98304, and we have to copy this and we have to paste it. And once the value is being set, and just tap over here, close everything, and we have to go back and try launch the game. After increasing the virtual memory, you can also try updating the Windows. Just go over here, search for settings. Now go over here in the system. Now from here go to Windows Update. Make sure the Windows is up to date. So if you're having any kind of cumulative updates like this, and if you're having any updates over here, just update everything. And once afterwards, just close this and we have to go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to update the graphics card. So just go over here in the game, go to the NVIDIA graphics card over here. So you can see this is the NVIDIA graphics card and this is the product type, product series, product, operating system, language, etc. So the GFOs is what we have to take, and just go over here. You can select Windows 11 and also you select everything over here correct. Just go for start search, and afterwards when you go for the start search, what we need to do is you'll be getting the latest released versions, that is 552.22. This is the latest released version which is on April 16, 2024. Download this one and install. Restart is a mandatory and try launch the game. Just go over here. If you're on the AMD, just select everything like your graphics cards can be selected and everything should be selected, and once afterwards download the respective driver and download as well. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to uninstall and reinstall the game. So just go over here in the game, go to the manage and uninstall the game. You can try reinstalling it back, and also you can try verify integrity of game file, which is a very important step. So just go over here in the game, right click and go to the properties, go for installed file. Just click on the verify integrity of game file. So this will cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this, and you'll not be having these kind of trouble. So if any files are corrupted, we'll be having this trouble. So just wait for this one to reach 100%. So once you're done with this one, just everything is done, just click over here and you can try launch the game. And these are the possible workarounds can be done. I hope this video is helpful. See you soon on next video. Peace out. Bye bye.